Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, spiritual liberation requires financial freedom. He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
Subscribe now and check out an example of a video used in an online course that makes $18,000 per month in passive income. This video demonstrates high-quality, high-value content that effectively teaches people how to make money. And using AI, this video was created in just a few minutes. Now ebooks, blogs, and your own faceless YouTube channel and online courses are within your grasp. Here's the video. How I made $42,000 in 30 days with an Amazon affiliate unboxing video. Hello everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the exact steps I took to make an incredible $42,000 in just 30 days through a single unboxing video on YouTube, leveraging Amazon's affiliate program. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, especially with tech gadgets, read on. Step 1. Choosing the right products. First, I selected a range of popular tech gadgets that were trending. My box included a high-end laptop, the latest smartphone, a pair of noise-canceling headphones, and a smartwatch. I chose products I was genuinely excited about and knew my audience would love. Step 2. Signing up for Amazon's affiliate program. I signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. It was a straightforward process, and once approved, I got unique affiliate links for each product I plan to feature in my video. Step 3. Planning the unboxing video. I spent time scripting the unboxing video. My focus was to be authentic and provide real value. I planned to demonstrate each product, highlight its features, and share personal insights. I made sure to mention that viewers could find the links to each product in the video description. Step 4. Filming and editing. With my home studio set up, I filmed the unboxing, ensuring high video and audio quality. During editing, I added close-up shots of the products and annotations highlighting key features. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing on YouTube. I uploaded the video to YouTube, ensuring I used catchy titles, effective tags, and a compelling thumbnail. I inserted the Amazon affiliate links in the description and pinned a comment with the links too. Step 6. Promoting the video. I promoted the video across my social media platforms. I also utilized my email list to alert subscribers about the new unboxing video. The results. Views. The video hit 200,000 views in the first 30 days. Click-through rate, center. With compelling content, I achieved a center of 5% on my affiliate links. Conversion rate. Approximately 2% of the clicks resulted in purchases. The numbers. Total clicks, 200,000 views x 5% center equals 10,000 clicks. Total purchases, 10,000 clicks x 2% conversion equals 202 sales. Average earnings per sale, average commission of $210 per sale. So my total earnings were 200 sales x $210 equals $42,420. That's right, $42,000 in 30 days. What made it work? 1. Selecting trending products. I chose gadgets that were in demand, which spiked viewer interest. 2. Quality content. The high-quality video and genuine enthusiasm made the content relatable. 3. SEO optimization. Effective use of keywords and tags helped in reaching a wider audience. 4. Leveraging social media and email lists. These platforms were crucial in driving traffic to the video. Final thoughts. This experience was a game changer for me. It reinforced the power of combining quality content with smart marketing strategies in affiliate marketing. Remember, authenticity and providing value to your audience are key. I hope my journey inspires you to start yours. Happy unboxing and good luck!
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for. A practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month. And it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below. And then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop and it's free. And I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.